By now, the whole world knows how the Indian Air Force systematically targeted air bases across Pakistan as part of Operation Sindoor, launched to avenge terror attacks in Pahalgam. What is not widely known is the Indian Navy's striking display of total maritime dominance. Leading from the front was India's mighty aircraft carrier INS Vikrant, which played a crucial role in deterring Pakistan's aerial ambitions in the Arabian Sea region. With the deployment of the carrier battle group, India was not only intercepting Pakistan's aerial attacks, but was simultaneously using its naval power to ensure that Pakistan kept its aerial assets in defensive mode. INS Vikrant was deployed closest to Pakistani naval assets during this operation, and the multiple operational positions reflected the tempo and endurance of Indian Navy. INS Vikrant is India's most potent warship, with the BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles and MiG-29K fighter jets that can strike deep inside Pakistan. The carrier battle group is also equipped with the Barak 8 missiles designed to defend against any incoming aerial threat. INS Vikrant started moving from the Karwar base towards the battlefront on the 30th of April, when India was gearing up for a response to the Pahalgam terror attack. The INS Vikrant carrier battle group was deployed in the Arabian Sea by the 5th of May, a day before India launched Operation Sindoor. And over the next 4 days, the carrier battle group, with its submarine, destroyers and frigates, moved closer to Pakistan and remained completely in control of the seas around Karachi as tensions escalated between India and Pakistan. By the 9th of May, Pakistan was in striking range of the Indian missiles. The carrier battle group INS Vikrant comprises 8 to 10 warships and saw one of the largest real-time operational deployments outside of peacetime drills. In 1971, the Indian Navy deployed 6 warships to target Karachi. During Operation Sindoor, this number rose to 36 frontline naval assets, including INS Vikrant carrier battle group, signaling a massive escalation in maritime readiness. India outnumbered the entire fleet of the Pakistani Navy, which currently fields fewer than 30 warships. To further mount pressure, the Indian Navy deployed 7 destroyers, 7 stealth frigates, missile boats, and half a dozen submarines in an unprecedented show of strength. Pakistan's Navy ships reportedly remained confined within the Karachi harbour, unable to counter or respond due to the overwhelming presence, readiness and combat preparedness of the Indian Navy. Pakistan was repeatedly compelled to issue NAV area or maritime safety warnings, fearing an Indian naval strike. With its deterrence and joint readiness demonstrated during Operation Sindoor, India has asserted our total dominance in the Indian Ocean region, from sea control to total sea denial to the adversary.